Hello boys and girls of the internet, you're welcome back to the Grind Academy. And in today's video guys, what I'll be doing is I'll be walking us through on how to create a PayPal account that sends and receives money right here in Nigeria. And I'm not just going to show you that, I'm also going to show you how to actually avoid getting banned and being locked out of your PayPal accounts, right? And if you get banned, what you must need to do to actually get your money back. Okay, so three things. How do you create your PayPal accounts? If you're going to need to create your PayPal accounts, don't go the routes that I've shown in the previous videos in the last 1 year, because that's outdated. I mean, PayPal is actually cracking down on people who are not in the countries that is actually eligible to create a PayPal account that sends and receives money. So if you must do that, you will need to have someone in a trusted country, in a country that works, do that for you. So I had someone who is in the United States create a PayPal account for me with his details, right? The person is going to use his details. So if someone is going to do it for you, they should use their own details to actually create this PayPal account for you. Because with your own details, it's going to work, right? But you're going along the line, you're going to have issues, and that is where how do you use this account for it not to get banned, not to get permanently banned, is the first thing you need to do is use your name while creating the PayPal account. Use the person's name, the person's details, the person that lives in the country's details while creating the account. That's the first thing. And once you've created that account, you're going to start doing transaction with the PayPal account, right? So once you send like a few dollars into the account, let's say at the time I got that message was around I think I sent around about $200 something, and I was requested to actually do something else. Now the next thing you're going to need to do is once you've started using that account for a specific period of time, and they send you mail saying that you should confirm that you're a person or that you're in this specific country, all you have to do is get back to this person who has created that PayPal account for you and tell them to use their driver's license or bank statement to actually prove that they are persons living in the claimed country. So once they've uploaded the information that proves that in the supposed country, PayPal is going to actually lift their account, lift the ban on the account, and allow you to carry out transactions. All you have to do is get in contact with their support, saying that you stay in this particular country, but you moved out, you traveled, and you're on vacation, and it's just going to be for a while. So what they're going to do is they place your accounts, stating very clearly that you're verified that you're in this particular place or you live there, and you verify that information, but you just moved out of the country. So they will understand that you're in Nigeria using the account, but you created that and you live in the claimed country. That is basically how to actually go around this. Now, one warning I'm actually going to leave you with is don't send bulk money to the account in the moment you open it. You can start with $10, $20, $50. I think around $200. They should get to the point where they limit the account, and then you upload these documents to lift the limits. If they actually place another limit on it, you upload the required documents again, they will lift the limit. Don't go trying to create the account yourself. Now the third thing which I promised us in this video is how do you get your money off PayPal once there is a permanent ban. If you already have a permanent ban on your PayPal account, all you have to do is chill out and wait for the next 6 months, and PayPal will actually send you your money as long as you have your withdrawal information linked to the account. So if you're going to create an account, make sure that before you start sending money to the account, your withdrawal information is already linked up to the account. So you don't need to, once they place that permanent ban, don't go on trying to log in. Allow the account to be. Don't try logging into the account. Allow the account to be for a while. And if the account stays for a while, PayPal can actually allow you to actually log in, but you're not going to do any transactions. Allow them to ban it. Wait for the next 6 months, and then withdraw. And if you already have an account in Nigeria and they've already limited your account and asked for some documents to actually approve your withdrawal, to actually allow you to send out your money, if that account is created in Nigeria right here, right, and you can access it. Once you access it and the documents, the information there doesn't show that you stay in the US or in the countries where PayPal works, all you have to do is find that information, your information that says you're in Nigeria, upload it. They will permanently ban the accounts and still send you your money in the next 6. That is how to get your money. You don't need to pay someone out there to actually do this kini and get your money. What they'll do is buy the account, do what it's supposed to do, do what's supposed to be done on the account, and wait for the next 6 months to withdraw it and then pay you off, right? So all you have to do is do this yourself and you have your PayPal account. All right, guys, so that is it for this honest conversation, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.